Hey guys, this is Akhilesh from DataSense. Today we are going to learn how to extract only numbers from this mixture of text and numbers like this. So first way is very simple. You type few examples like 2460 is the result for this, 792 is the result for this, and you can press Ctrl E and this will give you the result. Now this may work or may not work, it depends how complex is this mixture. So let us find a function based solution so that even if our numbers change, then the result should be automatically updated. To do that, we need to understand these functions. These are the 6 functions which will be used to get the result. Len, sequence, mid, value, if error, text join. Sequence function and text join functions are only available in Office 365. Now, what is the process which I am going to follow? I need to separate each character. Then I will only keep numbers out of that and then join them back. So first is how to extract. So how many characters are there? So len function can give you total number of characters. Then mid function can extract text. So mid, and if I type this text, starting number let's say 1, and I need only one character, it will give me first character. If I say starting number is 5th and comma 1, then 5th character it will give me 6. And sequence function, if I type let's say 6, sequence function will result a series of numbers up to that number. If I type comma 6, then it will give me same thing in columns. So now using these 3 functions, let me write mid from this cell, starting position. I want each position actually, so I will type sequence, comma, and type len of this original text and 1 characters. So what I am saying, sequence function len of b5, which means if it is 6, sequence function will give me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I am saying operate mid function on this text for all the 6 positions and I need 1 character. When I close the bracket, this is what I get. All the characters is splitted into one single cell. Now what I need to do is, I need to evaluate if every cell is a number or not. So I can write value function on the same text, and now you can see wherever it was number it is fine, but wherever it was text, value function is not able to convert it into a number, so it is giving errors. So rather than these errors, what I would say, if there is an error in this text, I need an alternate result which is double quote and double quote. So wherever there was an error, it will give me blank. You can see here these 2 cells are blank. Now I don't want these numbers separately, I want them together. So there is a function known as text join. This function is available only in Office 365. What would be the delimiter to join them? Okay, I would keep double quote, that means no delimiter is there. If there are any empty cells, do you want to ignore them? Yes, I want to ignore them. And what would be the text which I want to combine together? The values which are generated from if error function, we would like to combine them. Close the bracket at the end and press enter, and you can see 2460 is the number, and when I copy it down, it will give me numbers from all the cells. Now if you want to use these extracted numbers as a number, this is not enough. You need to wrap it inside a value function because it is still text. So value function will convert this text numbers into numeric formats. So it will be right aligned and you can do summation, multiplication, whatever you want to do on these numbers. So this is the method. Why not Ctrl E and why this formula? The reason is, if tomorrow I change my numbers, my function will give me the updated result. So that's the reason I prefer to use formulas and functions. Otherwise Ctrl E will give me all the results most of the time. So to recap, what all we used len function to split into those many cells, to split the original text into those many cells. We use sequence function to generate the series of numbers equivalent to len function. Mid function splitted them. Value function evaluated whether it is a number or not a number. If error functions gave us blank cells wherever it was not a number. And text join function combined all the cells which we got out of that splitting. And we used value function again to get the combination into numeric format. So that's it from my side. Hope you found it useful. If you are coming to our channel for the first time, please do subscribe the channel. Share your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.